is a story of a charming little mouse who dares to dream big.
Angelina Mouseling, famous star and prima ballerina.
Angelina practices her twirls and pliés and arabesques over and over. Her best friend Alice is by her side in good times and bad.
Alice, you really are the cleverest best friend in the whole world.
And her ballet teacher, Miss Lily, guides the little star's passion as she dances toward her dreams.
Well done, everyone.
Sometimes she can be a little feisty.
Do it my way and we'll have the audience in tears.
But when Angelina takes center stage, she gets rave reviews. Look for Lights, Camera, Action and other Angelina Ballerina products. Available now from your friends at Hit Entertainment.